welcome and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are all fine at your home. I am here, your science teacher from IYS School for Class 3. So, students, today I am going to teach you unit number 1, the 5 senses. So, open your book, page number 2. Here are some instructions before starting the lecture. Please listen this very carefully. First of all, listen the whole lecture very carefully. You must hold the pencil in your hand and write down the difficult points and terms in your rough copy. During the lecture, I will share screen with you. Please take screenshots of all slides because it will be help you to do work in your copy. During don't raise your hand during lecture. Use chat box at the end. I will answer you. Homework should be done in your fair science copy. If there is any disconnectivity occur during the lecture, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. So students, shall I start now? Unit number 1, the 5 senses. In this lesson, I will teach you about 5 senses and how it is work. Today, I will cover 3 topics: sense organ, the organ of sight, and the last, the organ of taste. So, students, do you know about sense organs? The organ which help us to feel, hear, smell, taste, or see things around us is called sense organ. The sense organs are the specialized body organ by which humans are able to see, hear, taste, smell, touch, or feel. Do you know about organs? What is organs? And organs is a part of your body that has a particular purpose or function. Okay, students. So senses allow us to observe and understand the world around us. That's why the senses are important for us. Have you got it? Better take a screenshot. I am going toward the next topic, that is about the what are human sense organs. So students, we have all heard about the 5 senses like that: see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Taste. To see, we use our eyes. To hear, we use our ears. To smell, we use our nose. To touch, we use our hand. And for the taste, we use our tongue. These are the 5 senses: sight, hear, smell, touch, smell, taste. Okay, students. So basically, human being have 5 sense organ. How many sense organ? Human being have 5 sense organ. Have you got it? So students, do we have all heard about the 5 senses, but do you know according to many sciences we have 9 senses? How many senses? Yes, we have 9 senses. Scientists says we have 9 senses. These are sight, hear, smell, smell, taste, touch, pain, hunger, balance, thirst. These are the 9 senses. So we have heard about the 5 senses, but according to many scientists, we have 9 senses. Have you got it? Now the next topic is, what do the sense organ do? So do you know about, we have 5 senses and these 5 senses are working together. Okay, you have 5 senses. You use at least one of your 5 senses every moment of every day, and they are on duty even when you are asleep. So these 5 senses, your senses work together to let your brain know what is going around you, and also they help you to keep you safe from danger. Both people and other animals get to know about the world through their senses. So student, that is why senses are important for us. These are the 5 senses we have. Our brain receives signals from these senses and tell us what is happening around us. Okay, so these are So the senses working together. Okay, students, have you got it? This is about the what do the sense organ do. So our sense organ help us to live better. They are constantly busy taking information and sending it to our brain without our knowing. Okay, so this is about what do the sense organs do. Have you got it? Now let's see how each sense organ works. So the eye is the organ for our sense of the sight. So let's start from the organ of sight. Do you know about eye is the most important organ of sense. Okay, the eyes lies in the socket in the skull and they are shaped like a bowl. They have shaped like a bowl. We see with our eye. And you know about the students, our eye act like a camera. They detect moving images and colors and send it to the brain. And then the brain tell us what we see. So our eye act like a camera and this is the most important sense organ. Better take a screenshot. This is about the eye. Eye is the most important sense organ and they act like a camera. They detect moving images and colors and send it to the brain. Then brain tell us what we see. Okay, now I am going to move the next slide. This is the external structure of the eye. This is the external structure of the eye. This is the outside of the eye. And this skin part, this folding skin part is eyelid. Okay, and these small hairs are eyelashes. And what is the function of eyelashes? It protect us from strong sunlight. Okay, so these small tiny hairs are eyelashes. Okay, now this is a eyeball shape. Okay, this is pupil. This center part is pupil. This black dot is pupil. Okay, have you got it? This black dot is called pupil. The pupil or black dot at the center of the eye is an opening through which light can enter the eye. Okay, this is the part of external eye pupil and surround the pupil. This color part is iris. Okay, have you got it? Surround the pupil. This center part, this black dot is pupil and the surround the pupil, this color part, this is the blue color part, is just iris. Okay, so these hairs are eyelashes. What is the function of eyelashes? These are the small hairs and they protect us from strong sunlight. And this center black dot is called pupil and surround the color part is iris. The color part is iris surround the pupil. It controls how much light enter the eye by changing the size of the pupil. Okay, so this is the external structure of the eye. This is your external structure of the eye. This skin part is eyelid. This is small hairs are eyelashes and this black center part of the eye is pupil and the color part is iris. Have you got it? This is about the external structure of the eye. Now I am going towards the interior of the eye. This is the interior structure of the eye or the inner part of the eye. The it is one of the important sense organ of eye in the human being. This part include iris, pupil, lens, cornea, muscle, retina, optic nerves. These are the part of interior structure of the eye. Have you got it? So let's start from iris. Do you already know about the color part of the eyeball is called iris. Surrounding the pupil, the color part of the eyeball is iris, and this line shows this is the pupil. This part is pupil. This black dot in the eyeball is called pupil. Is an opening through which light can enter the eye. Now this is the lens. Okay. It is the transparent part of the eye. This is the transparent part of the eye. It's called lens. Okay, student. This is the transparent part of the interior structure of the eye. Is called lens. Okay. Now the next is cornea. It is the transparent layer of the skin that is spread over the pupil and the iris. Okay, beta. This layer, it is the transparent layer of the skin. Okay, this is cornea. It is the transparent layer of skin that is spread over the pupil and the iris. And the function of the cornea is responsible for focusing most of the light that enter the eye. Now the next muscles. So student, do you know about each eye has six muscles? How many muscles? Each eye has six muscles that control its movement. Okay, this line shows this is the muscles. Okay, and this yellow line shows this is retina. Okay, so what is retina? Retina is the part of interior of the eye. So it is a layer. This is a yellow colored layer present at the back of the eye. So the back surface of the eyeball is called retina. What is retina? The back surface of the eyeball is called retina. Okay, now the next, optic nerve. It is located at the end of the eye behind the retina. It is located at the end of the eyes behind the retina. So these are the iris, pupil, lens, cornea, muscle, retina, optic nerve. These are the part of interior structure of the eye. Have you got it about their functions? Okay. These are the part of interior structure of the eye. Okay. Now I am going towards the next slide. This is about how we see. So students, do you know about how we see? So the light rays go into your eyes and fall onto the back surface of the eye or retina. You can then see the table. The picture of the object is upside down. It is the brain job to turn the image right upside and then tell you what you are looking. Like that, student, when you see anything, any object like that tree, when you see tree, so the brain create the image of of an object. The picture of an object is upside down. It is the brain job turn the image right up and then tell what you are looking. So you know, students, our eye act like a camera. They detect images and send the signal to our brain. Then the brain jobs to tell us what we see. Okay, so you know that our five senses working together and they send messages to the brain, and then brain tell us what happening around us. So this is about the how we see. The brain correct the image of an object. The picture of an object is upside down. It is the brain's job to turn the image right up and then tell you what you are looking at. Okay, have you got it? So better take a screenshot. It is help you to do work in your copy. This is about how we see. Have you got it? Now the next topic is about function of the eyelashes. You know what is this? These small hairs are eyelashes, and this is the very important part of our eye. Eyelashes keep the eyes clean by collecting small dirts and dust particles floating through the air. They also protect the eyes from the strong sunlight. Okay, so this is the most important part of our eye. It protects us from the strong sunlight and also help us to keep the eyes clean by small dust particles floating through the air. So this is the functions about the eyelashes. Take a screenshot. Sure, this is the function of eyelashes. This is the important part of eye because it protects us from dust particle and strong sunlight. So Have you got it about the function of the eye? Now, next topic is about activity. Are you ready for the activity? So, students, open page number 9. Hurry up, open page number 9. Okay, so do this activity in a dim, dark room. Look into the eye of a friend. Steady the pupil carefully. Then allow more light into the room. See what happens to the pupil and the iris. Okay, in dim light and in bright light, see what happens to the iris and the pupil. So in dim light, so what happened in the dim light with iris and the pupil? You know this black part is pupil and surround the pupil this color part is iris. So what happened in the dim light? In dim light the iris get smaller. This color part is iris. In dim light the iris get smaller and the pupil become larger. This is the pupil. In dim light the iris get smaller and the pupil become larger. This happens so that more light can enter the eyes. Okay, have you got it? In dim light, and what happens to the iris and pupil in bright light? In bright light, this pupil become gets smaller and this iris become wider. This is the color part is iris. In bright light, the iris become wider and the pupil get smaller. This happens so that less light enters the eye. Okay, have you got it about what happened to the iris and pupil in the dim light and in the bright light? In dim light, the pupil become larger and iris get smaller. But in the dim light, in the bright light, what happens to the iris and the pupil? The pupil become smaller and the iris become wider. Have you got it about this? This activity is present in your book, page number 9, question number 1. Okay, so this is about what happens to the iris and pupil in the dim light and in the bright light. Have you got it, beta? Now the next topic is about tongue. Now the second sense is organ is about the taste of the organ of the taste. So students, do you know about the taste is the weakest sense in the human body. The taste is the weakest sense in the human body. Okay. So the next slide is about sense of the taste. So the tongue is the sense organ of the taste. Okay, students, have you ever thought about why foods taste different? Okay, students, have you ever thought about why food tastes different? It's really quite amazing. You know, your tongue and the roof of your mouth are covered with thousands of tiny taste buds. Okay, so what is taste buds? These taste buds play the important part in helping you enjoy the many flavor of food. By the help of the taste bud, you can enjoy your flavor. Okay, so you in your tongue and the roof of your mouth are covered with thousands of tiny taste buds. Okay, so your taste bud can recognize four basic kind of taste. How many kind of taste? Four kind of taste. Your taste bud can recognize four basic kind of taste like sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Okay, sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. So, the salty and sweet bud are located near the front of the tongue, and the sour taste bud line the side of your tongue, and the bitter taste bud are found at the back of the tongue. Okay, have you got it? So your taste bud can recognize four basic kind of taste: sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Okay, so this is the structure of the tongue. The salty taste buds are located near the front of the tongue. The sour taste buds are found side of the tongue, and the bitter taste buds are found at the back of the tongue. Okay, and center of the tongue, not many taste buds found. Okay, so this is about the taste bud. By the help of taste bud, you can enjoy your flavor. Okay, have you got it? Now the next topic is about how we taste. So students, how we taste? The food that we put into our mouth touches the taste bud. The taste buds send a message to our brain. The brain then tells us what flavor we are tasting. The taste bud on different parts of the tongue tell if the food is sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Okay, when we take food, so the taste buds send message to our brain. Then brain tell us what flavor we are tasting, like sweet. If we eat ice cream, so our taste buds send the message to our brain. This flavor is sweet. Then our brain tell us the flavor is sweet and salty, sour, bitter. So by the help of the taste bud, we can enjoy different types of flavor. Okay, have you got it? The food that we put into our mouth touches the taste buds. The taste buds send a message to our brain. The brain then tells us what flavor we are eating. Have you got it about how we taste? Okay, now the next, do you know about a person has been 10,000 taste buds? They are replaced every 2 weeks. Okay, student, these taste buds replace every 2 weeks. Okay, when you get older, taste buds don't get replaced. That's why certain foods may taste stronger to you than they do to adult. Okay, so every person has been 10,000 taste buds. So student, when you get older, taste buds don't get replaced. Okay, so this is about the taste bud. Okay, now are you ready for the home tasks? Okay, this is your today's home task. Okay, question number one is define senses. You know already about the senses. Senses are important because they help us understand the environment around us. Okay, so question number one is define senses. For answer, see slide number 3. Okay, question number two, how many senses according to scientists we have? Name them. You already know according to scientists we have 9 senses. Okay, and write their names. Okay, for answer, see slide number 5. Question number 3, what do the sense organ do? You already know that our 5 senses working together, they send messages to the brain, and then the brain jobs to tell us what we see, what we eat, like that. Okay, so for answer, see book page number 2. Okay, question number 4, what corrects the image of an object seen by the eye? Okay, what corrects the image of an object seen by the eye? For answer, see slide number 11. Okay, now next question is question number 5. How do the taste buds help us enjoy food? Okay, so you know that taste buds are important for us because by the help of the taste bud we can enjoy the flavor like sweet, salty, bitter, sour. Okay, so by the help of the taste bud, we can enjoy different types of flavor. Okay, they send message to the brain what we eat, and the brain tell us which flavor we taste. Okay, this is about the question number 5. Question number 6. Do book exercise on page number 8. Beta take screenshot. It is your today homework. Okay, hurry up, take a screenshot. Question number 1. Define senses. For answer, C. Slide number 3. Question number 2, how many senses according to the scientists we have? Name them. Question number 3, what do the sense organ do? For answer, see book page number 2. Okay, this answer present in your book page number 2. Question number 4, What corrects the image of an object seen by the eye? For answer, see slide number 11. How do the taste buds help us to enjoy food? For answer, see slide number 16. Okay, and the last question is about question number 6. Do book exercise on page number 8. This is the exercise is present in your book, page number 8. Okay, question number B. Open question number B. Page number 8, select the correct answer from the choice listed. Okay, number 1, the taste bud help us to recognize. Okay, what does the taste bud help us to recognize? Shape, flavor, healthy food. Yes, the taste bud help us to recognize flavor. The correct answer is flavors. Okay, now the second, the eyes lie in the sockets in the joint, nostril, skull. Yes, the eye lies in the socket in the skull. Now the third blank is our dash get messages from our senses to tell us what we see, smell, taste, hear or feel. Okay. Option number A, heart, brain, stomach. Yes, brain. By the help of the brain, we can get messages. This our brain get messages from our senses to tell us what we see, smell, taste, hear, or feel. Okay, now the last blank is the five senses are sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Now next option bones, muscle, brain, heart, and hand. Now the next reading, math, spelling, running, and writing. So the five senses are these sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. These are the five senses. Okay. How many senses we have? We have five senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Now next, C. Question number C. Use your five senses to explore what is around you. Walk around and find one thing that you can hear, smell, taste, touch, and see. Okay, so what you can see in this time, what you can see like that. For example, you can see tree, people. So in this option, you can write tree, people, and you can uh, write other things. Okay. So what you can see tree, people, and around yourself, table, fan, TV, mobile phone, computer. Okay. Now the next is here. But you can hear dog barks, song, and burning smell, traffic noise. Okay, taste, tea, egg, and other flavor you can taste. Okay, you can write in this option. Okay, smell. You can smell burning thing. You can smell perfume, flower smell, petrol. Okay, now the next touch. You can touch soft things, hard things, hot things like tea, coffee, and next is flower. Okay, so this is about your homework. Okay, okay. This is the end from my side. God bless you. Have a nice day and Allah Hafiz.